If you want a navigation app that works offline without constantly tracking your location or filling the screen with ads, Organic Maps is built around privacy-focused offline navigation. Organic Maps allows users to download maps for entire cities or countries and use them without an internet connection. You can search for places, get turn-by-turn navigation, explore hiking trails, and save locations directly on your device. The app is based on OpenStreetMap data, meaning it relies on community-maintained mapping instead of corporate data collection systems. It also avoids trackers, advertisements, and unnecessary account systems, which is one of its biggest selling points. The main advantage is offline reliability and privacy. Travelers, hikers, and people with limited internet access can navigate without depending on mobile data. The app is lightweight, fast, and doesn't drain battery as aggressively as some larger navigation platforms. Since maps are stored locally, performance stays smooth even with weak connections. But there are trade-offs. Because it depends on community map data, some regions are more accurate than others. Real-time traffic updates, live business information, and dynamic rerouting are limited compared to apps like Google Maps. The interface is functional, but not as polished or feature-packed as major commercial navigation apps. Organic Maps is best suited for travelers, hikers, privacy-conscious users, and people who need reliable offline maps instead of a fully connected navigation ecosystem. Is it worth using? Yes, for offline navigation and privacy-focused map usage, but not ideal if you depend heavily on live traffic and constantly updated commercial information.